1,000 subscribers on YouTube is a huge deal, along with the 4,000 hours watch time, because that means we can join the YouTube Partner Program, where we can start earning money through ad revenue on our channel. But one of the big questions is, when we hit that threshold, how much can we actually earn? Well, the first important thing to note is that the amount of money you can earn with 1,000 subscribers on a gaming YouTube channel actually varies a lot. It depends on several factors, such as the type of content you make, the engagement with your audience, and the monetization methods used. For example, it's not just the YouTube Partner Program that can earn you money at 1,000 subscribers. I mean, at this point, sponsorships could already be making you quite a bit of money. This is where a company essentially pays you a fee, or sometimes a product, to tell people within your videos about their product or service. If you can find a brand, or a brand can find you, that perfectly aligns with your videos, there's a lot of money to be made. The videos don't always have to get tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of views. 1,000 engaged and relevant viewers may be more attractive for a sponsorship deal than 100,000 random views. Now, on top of sponsorships, there's also affiliate marketing. This is when a channel promotes a product or a service and earns commission for any sales made through their unique affiliate link. Again, even a small audience, if it's engaged, can generate a lot of revenue this way. But of course, we can't ignore the adverts that we can now get paid for on our channel when we've hit 1,000 subscribers, which is the most common way people imagine making money on YouTube, and this all depends on the amount of views we get. So I'm going to show you how much my channel made with 1,000 subscribers from that point on until the next year. The exact figures for each channel will of course vary, but you can get a good idea of how much you can earn. So for several hundred to 1,000 views per day, I was earning just £1 or £2 a day. But from hitting 1,000 subscribers and getting monetized to then fast forwarding a whole year, I earned £2,735.15, and that was from 1.7 million views. So the equivalent in US dollars was just over 3,400. I should note though that this was just from Google adverts and was during COVID, where adverts were actually worth less. Now, like I say, that's not going to be the same for every channel when they hit 1,000 subscribers. Some people will grow slower from then on, and some people will grow faster. But this is a real-world example of what happened with my channel. Of course, when you do start growing even more, you can make more money with other monetization methods, such as super thanks and chat, merchandising, memberships, and selling courses. So tell me, was that more money than you expected or less? Let me know down in the comments. Now, if you're interested in how much a 10,000 subscriber YouTube channel makes, or how much 100,000 views on YouTube can earn you, check out these videos.